Hello, this is Trent Smith doing the fire weather briefing for Thursday, October 26th. Quick summary, there's a ridge for Friday, Saturday, another easterly cold front Sunday into Monday, gradual warming for the majority of next week, and then a potential pattern change for next weekend. So a ridge of high pressure is going to be setting up for the Pacific Northwest. This should allow temperatures to gradually warm each day, but we're also looking at inversions strengthening each day, meaning thermal belts during the overnight hours and fog lingering in the valleys for most of the morning hours. Again, the winds should be fairly light, but definitely drying out. Humidity is dropping down into the 20s in several locations if we get a little bit of mixing in the afternoon. Then on Sunday into Monday, we actually have another easterly cold front pushing into the region. What I have here is kind of the surface winds, predominantly looking at Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening time frame. Again, predominantly the winds will be coming through the valleys, so they'll be easterly in the east-west oriented valleys and kind of more of a northerly in the north-south valleys, coming over Marias Pass, Logan Pass, McDonald's, Rogers, and kind of just gradually moving into the area. Predominantly going to be affecting western Montana. Idaho will have fairly light variable winds. Again, this cold front will actually cause temperatures to cool back down by Monday time frame. Then Tuesday through Thursday, this is the upper level that I'm showing in the graphic with winds depicted. It's a very low amplitude ridge with quite a bit of wind, so we'll see a very gradual warming each day. Probably afternoon, evening breeziness. Not looking for very strong thermal belts or inversions during this time frame, so it's going to be a fairly nice day with good mixing during the afternoon, evening time frame. Then the latter part of the week, we'll look at another system coming out of the north, causing temperatures potentially to be below normal for this time of year. While the precipitation is still a little bit uncertain at this time, the Idaho region could see below normal precip, while along the divide could see above normal precipitation. The next briefing is scheduled for this Sunday, October 29th. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call here at the office.